Nigeria stew is always the best. If you think I'm lying, come and prove me wrong, guys. Come and see how I made this delicious and sumptuous stew. So at first we'll go by boiling our meat. We all know the system I use in boiling my meat. This is stew. You can add any seasoning that you think is best for this recipe. And I also boil my meat with pepper, maggi, and the rest of the ingredients. And also, I do not forget to add garlic for that good and nice flavor. So after my meat must have boiled for some times, I will go ahead to add this what is it called? I think it's called a body that time. I can't remember. So this will also give the stew another good taste. Now everything must have boiled. I will go ahead to fry my meat step by step. I'm just only going to fry the turkey and the chicken, okay? Yeah. So, and also the fish also, okay? So this is fresh fish. I just want it to have a little bit of dryness, okay? So after I must have fried all my meat and fish, I'll go ahead to fry my stew. First I'm adding my onions and my crayfish, okay? So I love crayfish in my stew. Not all the time though, but this was what I was craving for. So I'll go ahead to fry my stew and give it a nice turn. Now after my stew must have boiled for some times, these tomatoes that I use, I already severed the water, so it's not going to be too hard to dry or too long to dry. So I just added my meat, and next I'm going to be putting the rest of the meat that I fried earlier. Okay, it's going to be the last thing that I'm going to be adding to this stew. So that is it. After adding it, just give it a nice turn, and also cover it to cook for some times also. So these are the things I'm going to be adding also. I was able to get all these things from Nigeria the last time that I went to Nigeria. So first I will put my beef stock. You guys don't forget to always put your meat stock before adding the rest of your ingredients, okay? It's very necessary. So after putting my meat stock, and I know how the taste is, so that was when I added those seasoning, okay? So now I will just cover it and let it dry a little bit. Guys, this pot, like, as in, it helps me a lot, like, it's a huge favor to me. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please share and like. Bye.